Ah, hey everyone, my name is Alice, and I've been using Access for 5 years. Today, I want to share you why Access is the best choice for all of your telecommunication needs. Access is a fantastic product by Excel Asiata that offers you excellent service rate and extensive network coverage, making it an ideal choice for student and young professional. One of the best things about Access is Access Net app, where you can easily choose from three amazing packages that suit your internet need. First up, we have the broadband package. This package is perfect for a regular internet user who needs flexibility. You can choose from a variety of duration options and generous data quotas, ensuring you to stay connected without breaking the bank. Next, there is an awesome package. If you are a heavy user of specific applications like social media or streaming platform, this package is designed just for you. With a plenty of data allocated to your favorite application, you can binge watch, scrolling, and stay updated without any worry. The last one is Warner package. Personally, I love the Warner package. It offers you a lot of data quota for a short duration, making it perfect for those times when you need a lot of data quickly and affordably. Whenever you just downloading a big files and streaming in high quality or just need quick data boost, Warhead has got you covered. What I also love about Access is the reliability. Whether I'm at home, on campus, or when I'm hanging out with my friend, I can always count on Access for strong and stable connection. It makes my online activity from studying to socializing smooth and hassle-free. So, what are you waiting for? Join Access today and transform your internet experience. With Access, you get more just than a data. You also get a convenience, flexibility, and connection that you can rely on. Make your social media scrolling, streaming, and studying awesome with Access. Access, emang kita beda.